Who doesn't love new stuff from IKEA? Hi everyone, welcome to another interior design tips video. Last week, I started to share my favorite items from IKEA's new Spring/Summer 2022 collection. And this week, that list continues. Welcome to part 2. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll link it below, but today, it's all about my top 5 picks. I'm so excited about items 1 through 5, especially because they are brand new to IKEA. So let's get to it. This is my top 5 new items from IKEA. Happy spring, everyone. I'm so excited about this new bookcase. Number 5 on my list, the Idanas bookcase has a classic but clean look. I especially love that tapered leg detail. It adds so much elegance to this piece. Isn't it great? My old favorite was the Hemnes bookcase because I loved that it came in so many different finishes. The all white is such a clean look, but I loved it in white and wood. And it also came in black and wood. That combo I found so interesting. And now the Idanas bookcase is very similar in function, but it's taller and a little more transitional in feeling. I love having more options for bookcases. So I'm definitely adding this one to my list of recommendations moving forward. New this year is also the matching TV unit. Again, that beautiful tapered leg, and notice the trim details on top that matches the bookcase as well. I love that, just a lovely finishing detail. Classic detailing, so nice to see from IKEA. Number 4 on my list of favorites right now is the Idasen cabinet with glass sliding doors. The reason I love this cabinet is because of the metal finish, and I especially love that powder-coated gray color. It makes the cabinet really look sleek and important. You can store your precious things in this cabinet because the sliding glass doors are an added protection. I also love that they're sliding doors. This is great for small spaces because the doors don't take up any room when you want to open them. New this year is also a version without doors, and in fact, it's open on both sides. The Idasen shelf unit is great for an office setting and can be used in the middle of the room to create some division of space while still providing great storage. But me, I'm still partial to that sliding door cabinet. I think it's so versatile and it looks great. Plus, it has space at the back for cords, so integrating table lamps would be easy. Number 3 on my list, I'm so excited for this one too, a stainless steel sink integrated into its own stainless steel countertop. An all-in-one countertop and sink material is such a great, sleek, modern look. And of course, in stainless steel, it looks so custom. I love the idea of having this one-piece countertop and sink combination in a laundry room, for instance, where you may want to incorporate a more sturdy and durable material for your counters, especially around your sink. It comes in this double sink version as well as a single basin sink. And of course, having this sink in your kitchen could be a real statement. Mix it with quartz countertops everywhere else, and you have a very cool sink that's easy to keep clean. Hey everyone, did you know you can get personalized interior design advice from me? I offer up 30-minute design consultations through my Patreon page. All you need to do is head to this link for all the details. Plus, are you enjoying this video? Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if you're loving these new IKEA items or if you think I've missed one. I can't wait to hear all about what you're loving. Number 2 on my list, it's a new coffee table design. It's not easy to find a coffee table that looks dynamic, but elegant at the same time. I'm so impressed with the Frotorp coffee table. I love the round shape and size. I think round coffee tables are completely underused. They offer up a lovely curved shape to a room where most furniture has hard straight lines. But I especially love the combination of materials in this table. Smoked glass for the top surface, black powder-coated steel frame and legs, and then a marble effect shelf underneath. I also love that IKEA has a side table version as well, and I love it even more that it can be combined with the coffee table like this, almost nesting the two pieces to create an even more dynamic coffee table layout. And finally, my number 1 favorite new item from IKEA's new offerings for Spring/Summer 2022 is recycled glass vases by Ilse Crawford. IKEA has been focusing on a more sustainably curated lineup of products, and I'm always a fan of interesting glassware, so it's no wonder that I love this collection of vases. And designed by British designer Ilse Crawford. I love her work. She's designed these mouth-blown glass vases using recovered glass. The Konstfull series of vases come in various sizes and colors and textures. They look great together or on their own. They range in pricing from $5 to $18, so they are so affordable and a great way to decorate, with or without flowers. Notice the rings at the bottom? They're meant to help you arrange the stems at certain angles. So simple and ingenious, really. Each vase is unique because they are mouth-blown by artisans, but for me, having a little something from Ilse Crawford's design studio in my own home makes it my favorite #1. So here's your takeaway. IKEA is always adding to their product lineup, and I'm so happy to share with you my favorite new items for spring/summer 2022. From new shapes and profiles to new interesting design details and new materials and finishes. I'm excited to start using these pieces not only in my own home, but mixing them into my clients' projects. The best part of IKEA is that they offer up great design at a great price point, so it's always a win-win. Happy spring and summer. If you love IKEA, I've got lots of videos featuring more of the pieces that I love, including the rest of this list of favorites, because they're all designer-approved IKEA products. I'll link all the videos down below, so make sure to check that out. If you need personalized interior design help from me, join me on Patreon. I've got lots of tiers, including one where you can schedule a one-on-one video consultation with me. My patrons and I have tackled so many projects in the last few months, some of which include some amazing products from IKEA. Head to patreon.com/designchickee for all the details. A big shout out to my patrons. Thanks for watching this little design tip. I'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification button so you don't miss the next video. Leave your comments below and let me know what your favorite items were from my list today, or maybe I missed some that should be on the list. Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, if you like this video, please hit that like button. It helps to grow this channel. See you soon.